Thank you, Jah, you rise me in the morning. Oh yes, you keep me sheltered like a awning. You keep me limbs and all my organs and performing. Oh Jah, you're patient with me, keep me warm, you're charming. There goes the rain again, yeah. Here comes the sun shining through. What more can I do? But thank you, Lord. Yeah, my son, this is Bugle. So check me out without no doubt. And we said that and a positive energy alone poured out of our mouth. Yardstyle, wicked and wild.
Hey, this is Yardstyle Live, brought to you by
Willis, Thatch Roof, Kingston, Jamaica. Oasis in the City. Willis, Thatch Roof, Kingston, Jamaica.
Hi, I'm Purple, and this week's guest is none other than Bugle. Bugle, what's up?
You know, somebody I want it out purple, where are you going with?
I'm there, you know. I'm there. But I mean, everybody should know Bugle. You know, feel so?
Should, but I'm not going to say everybody know Bugle because we live in a time to where we kind of grow up past some of the youth them too, you know.
Yeah,
You understand?
yeah.
Because them have so much younger artists, new artists to pay attention to. So them
Yeah.
probably do even get with Bugle and Bugle music. So the introduction is always important to make people know who is Bugle and why Bugle is Bugle. So, you know, nothing wrong with it.
That is true, that is true. But for Bugle, I can say personally, my favorite song for you is Rasta Party.
Oh, really?
You know? Yeah, I like the vibe of the song.
I never
I like
expect
the
you to say that
mood.
one day still.
Really?
Maybe, you know.
Yeah.
Maybe my judge based on your appearance, which is not good. And that's why you can't judge a book by the cover
That's
too,
true.
because me I check say you would have probably, your favorite song would have probably be the one with me and Ladies or something like that. Infidelity, you know.
Infidelity. I mean, I like it. I like it. But Rasta Party,
Yeah, jam
I
that.
might jam that. Rasta
Give
Party
thanks.
make me want to move.
Yeah, true.
Yeah, it gives me
That
that
kind of vibe there
vibe.
still. Give thanks.
It really does. So let's talk about your album, Apex.
Mm-hmm.
Tell me about it. Tell me about what was the process like making that album.
It's just like making any other album still. It's just that one I start late. I actually make that album in a zero time. So what happened now is, by the time I done make the album, I kind of did sick out in a way still because I not consume right, I not sleep right and all of that. So you find out I'm drain.
Yeah.
The overs and I smoke a lot too because I have to hold myself together. I have to, push myself forward, and that actually keep me calm and help me to think.
Yeah.
So I do a whole heap of that just so I can balance out my meds for the next day. The thing with it is because I had limited time working with, I spend more hours in the studio.
Yeah.
So usually if I
Naturally.
would have spent 20 hours in the studio for record an album, if I have spend 8 to 10 hours in the studio for record an album, and that one I may have spent between 18 and 20. You understand? Because
To
the
put in
time.
the work.
Yeah, and then when you work with other artists too, it's kind of more tedious because you have to wait for a man to record and you have to go link a man to and Ray, and you have to have patience too where that is concerned.
Yeah.
You
Or
overs?
being that you mentioned working with other artists, which one of the collab on the EP you would say is was fun for you?
Every one of them.
Every one of
It-
them.
it
Which one
excite
would you?
me.
Which one stand out for you though?
All of them stand out. It really excites me to have a Buju Banton and a Junior Gang on the same
True.
track. But it also excites me to have Capleton on my project. To be able to sing a song with somebody like a Maxi Priest.
Yes.
Maxi
yes.
Priest live in England. Just the whole vibe, and me not really do whole heap of love songs. So to be able to have Maxi Priest singing that Love Again
Yes.
song is a vibe. Like I really love that song as well. Brutal Murderer with Barrington Levy. Come on, that's a classic song. So for me to be a part of such classic, me remember when them sang the Japan around the place, when Beanie Man them jump on it. What would you do if you wake up one morning and saw big M16 nozzle of your jaw?
Yeah.
Remember them times? So to be able to come and be a part of Murderer now is a vibe, it's an accomplishment for me.
You.
You
Yeah,
over
it's a
so me I say,
personal
I have to tap
accomplishment.
myself on the shoulder too because I put in my energy, I put
Yes.
in my work, I
Yes,
put
you
in
did.
my
It's a
time.
beautiful album. Yes, you
And
did.
it feel good to know say history that for show my journey same way too.
Yes. All right, all right. What I wanted to ask about the album is if there is a direct song for you that you would channel persons to go and listen to, like from this album, make sure and listen to that song here, which one would it be?
I would have to choose. If you stick me up like how you stick me up now,
Yeah.
then would have to say thank you, Lord.
Thank
Because
you,
thank you, Lord, is like a praise and
It's
worship.
yes.
The over some I
Yes.
say is yeah, tell people say, yo, always say thanks, man. Always show your appreciation, and sometimes we take things for granted. You know
Yeah.
what I say? So I would have say, because Thank You Lord is a song where I feel like everybody for just wake up in the morning and
give
listen.
thanks. Yeah.
You always give
And
thanks.
listen.
Just say a prayer. Just tell your thanks. You're there for a reason. A whole heap of people could have there, and where we as say should have
Shoulda
there.
there.
But John know why them not there and know why we there. So while we there, we have to give thanks, because the day go come when none of we not go there. None of we. We're there on earth now.
Right, no.
Nah go there.
Reality.
So we have to just give thanks for the opportunity to be here. Some people say, yo, why so much rain a fall? Yo, me hate the sun. No, don't ever do that. You understand what I say?
That's
Just
true.
appreciate the sun, because if you're never there, you wouldn't have see the sun and the rain.
Yeah.
Just appreciate the sun and appreciate the rain and say, thank you, Lord.
Appreciate the cycle.
That's what
of
life
God.
is about.
Yeah, yeah. So there you have it, guys. Bugle on set with us, giving you his message as usual. Bugle have always been one of those legendary artists for me, and for most of you too, I'm sure. So there you have it, guys. Bugle on set. This is your girl Purple, and we're at Willie's Thatch Roof Restaurant, and this is Yardstyle Live.
Yo, this is Music Phil, and this is Yardstyle Live. I don't know, for extended episodes of Yardstyle Live, please go to our YouTube channel, Yardstyle Live. Yes, I will keep it real. Yes, I will keep it clean. Remember to like, share, subscribe. Yardstyle Live. Bless.